This video presents an overview of the powerful features and functionalities in Dynaway EAM for Microsoft D365 Business Central. Press the Assets tab and Assets to view all your assets. Click on one of them to see more details. Scroll down to see all the information. Go back and choose Assets tree. Now you can see the assets overview and the parent and child hierarchy. Press Assets tab again and choose Asset Transfers. You can use this functionality to move the assets between different locations. This functionality proves valuable when you need to transfer assets either for a permanent relocation or for a temporary purpose, such as sending them to a repair shop. Click on Work Orders tab and go to Work Order Plans to view the information regarding all your preventive and reactive maintenance plans on the assets. You can add frequencies on your work order plan, such as calendar, measurement, one-off, sequence, and work order. The frequencies will automatically generate work orders based on the information or criteria given. Go back, choose Work Orders tab again and click on Work Orders. The work order card is structured into different sections that offer a quick summary of the work order information. The fields displayed on the work order card may vary based on the number of Dynaway apps and modules currently utilized by your company. By pressing on the Counters tab, you get an overview of all counter registrations or the counter registrations for a specific counter. Counters are mounted to assets to monitor their information, such as the amount of time they have been in operation or the distance they have covered. They are used to optimize maintenance planning. Go to Measurements to view and control the readings, such as vibrations, humidity, temperature, or air quality in a specific area. Select the Show Entries button to see a list of all measurement entries for the selected measurement.